In this video we're going to show you how to remove the rear bumper from a Clio Mark III. That's years 2006 to 2012. Tools you'll need for the job: a T20 Torx with a ratchet and a flat screwdriver. So we've got the car up in the air. You can just jack it up. We've got it on a ramp just to make it a bit easier and so you can see what's going on. So first of all, on the underside there's 5 T20 Torx. There's one in the middle and then one at either side, 2 at either side, sorry, here. So there's the one on the edge. And then one just inside it there. Then one in the middle. And again, 2 on the other side. Now coming to the side here, you want to undo this bolt that's holding the arch liner in there. We don't want to remove the full arch liner. You don't have to do it. Also, you don't have to take the wheel off. It does make it a little bit easier, but it saves you time not having to remove it. So that's a T20. Then what you can do then is just pull that back out the way. And you can see there's a T20 there, and that's one that's holding the bumper to the body of the car. Now we've got the boot open and we want to take out the rear light on both sides. So there's 3 T20 Torx running down the inside here. And also, while you're here, just pop out this rubber grommet. Now the rear light, pull it away from the inside, and then it's popped in on 2 pegs where it gets to the top there, where it meets the body. That's one. Just be gentle and try pulling it straight towards you rather than bending the light. That's it. And there's a plug on the back of that. Just using a pick or a screwdriver, just get in and pop the little tab up. So now we want to take the bumper off. It's clipped in and there's 3 sort of like clips about here, here and also on there. So starting at the bottom, I'll show you when it's off so you can see more clearly, but the little tabs that stick up into the bumper, 2 of them you can get your hands to. So one of them, just push down on the inside and the bumper will slide over it. The middle one that's here, you can use a screwdriver and just be very careful not to mark the body. Use a trim tool or a screwdriver, just pop it down. And then the third one, at the top here, you can get in from the gap where you move the light and you can just pop that little flap down there. And if you pop that down, the bumper should slide over it. There you go. So there you can see now the 3 tabs. This one here you can get from the back there like that, pushing it down. The middle one you're going to have to use something because you just can't get to the back of it. And then this one here, you can get through the arch liner. If you see there, I've got my finger in. You can sort of aim for that bit there. Now we can remove the bumper. You just want to undo this plug here, which is the connector for the electric cable for the rear reg plate lights. So you can just push the tab in on the top and pull that away. Make sure that's free. And the bumper will pull straight towards you. There's some pegs here that run into the body, so just make sure you don't bend the bumper and pull from the middle straight towards you. And that's the bumper removed.